friends, welcome to our winter wonderland. As you know, Black Friday, Cyber Monday is approaching and Ulike has a special deal, so I'm just gonna jump right in. Honey ain't wasting none of your time, okay? We're just gonna jump right in, get to the point. Ulike, as you guys know, I've loved them. I've used their IPL device for such a long time. They're having a special deal and I wanna show you what that is first, and then I wanna show you my Air 10 and how I use it in case you missed my past videos on it. I'll give you a rundown of why I use it, how I use it, and the effectiveness of it. If you've ever wanted to try the Ulike IPL device, now's your chance. They have a special holiday package, and for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, this retails for $419, but they have the Air 10 discounted to $289, so that is a huge discount, but this is a special holiday package, so I'm gonna show you everything that comes inside that you're gonna get. First of all, it comes in the special packaging sleeve, which does slide right off, just like that. It does come with cards if you wanted to gift this to someone, a to and a from card. It even sends you a little note about them on a pretty holiday card. And then you get some little stickers and Ulike stuff as well. This is part of the special holiday package. You also get the special holiday bag, which you're able to package your Ulike in. And then you get 2 containers of the aloe to apply after. These are 2 full bottles of it. You get a lot with this, okay? Now let's open up the actual box and let me show you everything that comes inside. It does come in this nice box, so you don't have to wrap it in anything special. It's already ready to go. And then this is the IPL device. So first you have your paper, your packaging. Am I holding the lid up with my head? Yes. But you get all your papers, your packaging, information about it. And then you're just gonna lift this part right here. And then this is your device. And underneath here is going to be your cords to plug it up. And then underneath this, it says small gifts from Ulike, which I think is really cute. You have your razor as well as your protective glasses to wear. So you have everything in your kit here. It's a special holiday deal for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I'll have everything linked down below. Be sure and check it out. If you're interested in IPL, you're gonna love this. Also, it's a great gift. That is actually a brand spanking new device. This one is mine that I've been using for a while, my trusty Air 10 that I love so much. And now you may be asking, why do IPL at home? Why not just go to the salon? Well, 1, the salon costs an arm and a leg. It costs a fortune. 2, you have to make multiple appointments, so you're gonna have to take off and take your time to go there multiple times to do it, to do the hair laser. And then 3, it's very painful. And then this is not so much, even though this does have a higher level that you can get to on it, which you may feel a little pop. It is nothing compared to how painful actual hair laser removal is. So those are a couple of reasons I love it. Also with shaving, the ingrown hairs, the irritation to the skin, the razor burn, same thing with waxing. I find that just IPL for my underarms and legs is like the best, but you can use this in a lot of different places, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how I use this device, but before I do, I just wanted to let you guys know that 96% of users started to see a difference after 2 weeks. To get your full effectiveness, I always say this in my videos, and I really want you guys to listen up because you gotta be consistent with this for it to work. It does typically take about 12 weeks for you to see some major results happening. Another thing I like about this is it's so easy to use. It only takes like 10 minutes to do a session and you can travel with it. So whether you're on the go, you can still get your IPL in and just take it with you. It's a sleek little device, easy to hold, easy to use, super user friendly. I love things that are not complicated, okay? My favorite thing about Ulike is if you're just interested in trying this and you're skeptical, you're not sure, they have a 90-day money-back guarantee. So you can return within 90 days if it doesn't work for you. By the way, IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light. It's a light treatment and it targets the melanin in the hair. So if you have super light hair and blonde hair, it will probably not work for you. It works better on darker hair because it picks up the melanin in the hair. Hey baby, like how do I use it? When do I use it? Don't worry, boo, I got you, I got you. Weeks 1 through 4 are your very important weeks and you wanna be using this at least 3 times a week during those weeks. Now your next set of weeks are gonna be weeks 5 through 12. You can go in and use this for touch-ups. I would use it at least 2 times a week in your second set of weeks, which is gonna be, again, weeks 5 through 12. If you want those optimal results, you know I'm gonna suggest you be consistent and use it the full 12 weeks. So then you may be like, Laura, what am I gonna do with it after 12 weeks? Well, after 12 weeks, you may see a little sparse hair or 2 come up. You can use this for your touch-ups and you should be consistently, you know, touching up with this device. Again, it's so easy to use. You can take it it anywhere, use it anywhere. And because this is the Air 10, this is the most updated version. It smoothly glides along your legs and works so quickly. A full session can be done in 10 minutes. Another note, you do want to make sure that the area that you're doing is completely shaven and that you don't have hair showing. So if you want to do your armpits, make sure you shave your armpits before. Same thing with legs. You're going to do the legs, which is what I like to do, mainly focus on the armpit and leg. You want to make sure you've shaven the hair down. And remember, your kit does come with a little razor, so you know if you need that to shave down, baby, Ulike's got you covered. Another note, you shouldn't have any product on your skin whatsoever. You should have no lotions, no creams, no serums, nothing your skin, no deodorants on the underarm. I like to do it whenever I'm fresh out of the shower before I apply my products because again, it's just so quick and I'll just leave it in my bathroom and pop, pop, pop really quick and then apply my lotions, creams, and serums. So it's really easy to use. All you have to do is apply this laser right here directly against the skin, and then you're gonna press the button on top and you will lightly give it a pop. So the Ulike 10 has a special mode. It's called SHR. You just click this button right here on this side and it activates that mode. So this device has 2 pulse lamps. Most devices only have 1 pulse lamp. What this is gonna do is gonna give you double light coverage over just 1 pass of your skin, which makes it way more effective. And that is part of the updated features in the Air 10, which you're getting the Air 10 in the holiday set. So this device actually has 4 different modes. You have normal mode, high mode, fast mode, and SHR. And as I just said, I like to use mine in SHR mode. And just a reminder, this device has an ice cooling feature in it. So it's pain free, but you also will feel this cooling sensation as you pop it along your skin. The Air 10 was also designed with a new shape to it. So it's just meant to be easy to hold, to press the button and pop. So they just make everything so user-friendly and everything so easy to use. Also with the new device, it has a 40% faster flash and you can cover more grounds and it makes it a quicker process to do with the new Air 10. Like if you wanted to do your full back, it would take you no time. The older device had a smaller window and this one is just so up to date and advanced. It makes it much, much faster to cover more ground for the super stubborn hairs. And if you want to do it really quickly, go SHR mode. So this is my favorite IPL device that I've ever used. I've seen major results. I've been doing IPL for a long time. I'm still doing touch-ups with it and that's why I keep my device around just to make sure if any little hairs come back, I'm able just to pop it and touch up with it. I do recommend doing this over going to get laser hair removal treatment. You'll save a ton of money, especially with the discount that they're doing for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. If you really go in and are consistent with it, you're going to be pleased with your results. I think the thing that I like about this device the very most is that this, compared to a lot of the other IPL devices, has the most updated, high-end, advanced features to it. Again, if you guys want to try this, this retails for $419, but with my promo code, you guys can get it for $289. If you ever wanted to try out IPL, this is the most advanced device, and this is your chance. I will have this with my discount code and the product link down in the description box. So be sure and check it out and grab their holiday package. I think it makes an amazing gift for yourself or for someone who has IPL on their Christmas wish list. Thank you to Ulike for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for being here and watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And if you've tried Ulike yourself from my previous videos, be sure to comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I love you guys. Happy holidays. I hope you're having a beautiful holiday season with people you love. And I will see you in the next video.